This is day 88, and today we are looking at text color. So we are looking at how we can change the color of the text we use in our worksheet. So for example, here I'm using a standard black color. I can change the color of my text using here on Home tab. I can go to Font, and under Font, I can select the text color I want. So here are the standard colors. I can choose one of these standard colors, or I can also go to recent colors, which I would have recently used in the workbook, or I can choose any of these theme colors here and choose the color which I want to use, or I can also go to more colors and choose here. Under standard, I can pick a color I want to use and I can see it here. This is the color I'm selecting. Or I can go to custom, where I can put in the RGB code, or I can choose to put in HSL code, or I can also use the hex code of the color to pick the color, or I can pick a color from here. Say, okay, this is the color I want, and I can sort of move this here, or I can just select, okay, I want it, okay, I want this color. Then I say, okay. Then that becomes the color of my text. So this is how you can change the color of your text. And if you want to go back to the standard black one, you can just select the range, then you can select automatic. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to get notifications when I load new videos, and also share my videos so that others can benefit as well. Thank you. Bye-bye.